Hi, good morning, everyone. Just joining everyone. Good morning, Rajesh. Just give 1 2 minutes for others to join. They're just joining. I think. Okay, so I think we had a very good eventful week. Even last week, we saw what we were expecting the market to do. Right, so we did saw the market bounce from the level. Good morning, Manoji. So we saw the even the market bouncing as we expected it to do that. Right. So good morning, Pravin. Let us see few things that you know helped us as well. So before we start, let's see on few things. So just wanted to share. Close, and here you go. Okay. Good morning, Gautam. Okay, so basically, we just wanted to share the first quarter of uh, Swaychat Stock Idea officially, which was launched actually on December 2020, and that was the trial week month for everyone to see how it can be done and what we are intending to do. In that, we December was around 45,000 or 46,000 profit. Then we started with January, where we started with the subscription and we saw almost 42,500 as profit. February was a bit down because we didn't traded much. So 5,400 was the only profit because mainly I was busy with my son's board exams. He was in 10th and also few health issues at home. So this wasn't that good. And March we ended yesterday with this week means on Tuesday we ended with 92,000 as profit. So stock ideas in a quarter, first quarter has given 1,40,000 as the gross profit. If you look at here, right? So that is 1,40,000, right? So if you remove, the percentage of the required capital that we expect of 3,50,000, it's almost around 40% return in the first quarter. Okay, so that is where we say that this is one of the initiatives that we started. And on the Fool's Day, April Fool Day, we had one BTST done on 31st. It did good, and we moved out quickly. LNT that hit the stop loss, and then it went higher. Okay, it went quite higher, and also we had a good call on Bank Nifty, which lasted, and there was a flag setup which gave us this, so 980, and our second target was also 34,100, which was met. Okay, but I think it is good enough that we were trailing the stop loss once the first stop loss, first target was achieved, which was 39,950, and from there we were actually trailing the stop loss, and that is how we got this as well. So this is mainly again stock ideas in April. Okay, so it's just day one and we can see the profits on April as well. So this is one of the thing which I wanted to share with everyone. I want to thank each and everyone who are part of stock ideas today, mainly guiding us also on the improvement side, and for that I thank Saraf sir a lot, because this particular initiative of stock ideas was what he wanted Swaycharts to start with. And he as been as a constant guiding light about the feedback and everything that he wants us to be part of it. Okay, so I'm not still at 100% what he intended me to do, but since we are low on staff, I'm not able to do much what he keeps saying. But yes, whatever practical or operational things he's expecting, we are putting it on our efforts to be there in the stock ideas. So again, if anyone wants to be part of stock ideas who is not there and want to be part of it, right, can reach out to me after the session. Okay, so I'll just move this out now. Okay. So last week, again, what we saw was some bounce in the market as we were expecting, because mainly we were at 40, and from 40 we saw the bounce, right? So that was where we were expecting the market. We saw few things. So we had few of the calls which got triggered as well. Reliance, HDFC Bank, ICICI, ACC short didn't trigger, but I was having in mind even the long trade which went up, okay, which I didn't give because all of this buy trade that triggered on the same day. Okay, so then it was not like which one would you trade. Saraf sir, that is what you keep saying every time, but I say that it's always your efforts as well, right? So this entire thing triggered, and if anybody is still want to trade, DV's lab is looking still good, and we will see today. We'll cover it in detail as well. It was a positional call, but we are out of it as well. Okay, because since we are making good money, it's better to always do it. So, is everyone able to hear, or it's only Saraf sir? Okay, now okay, 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 okay. So let's start this week as well. So let's put the charts. Okay, so let's go to low page, daily. Okay, so let's start with Nifty. Okay, so Nifty has got on daily now a bull sash. Okay, so if you look at the candle wise, okay, there was a black candle. We had a gap up opening and we closed above it. Okay, so around 14,950 is where we are right now, and that is also a level of resistance. Okay, so if you look at this 14,950, this is the level we are talking about. Okay, so if you look at this support, broken twice. Okay, and we are having a black candle here, and now we are approaching the same level. So if we break above this, we might see again 15,300 coming up. Okay, so this is where you might see the the Nifty also getting some resistance. If we are above it, we might see it growing above. Okay, okay, that's fine. So I'm now holding the mic very close to it. Okay, so let's see this. So this should be fine. Okay, so this is where we are having uh, the resistance on Nifty right now. Okay, so this is where Nifty is having some resistance. So one level you can see here. Second, let's see now. Let me go to this weekly stuff. So weekly we had uh, PRD setup, right? There was a 5 bar PRD, and weekly starts with a bull sash. Okay, so now second part that we need to understand is weekly took 60 support. Okay, so one thing is 60 support on weekly. Second thing is a candle with a bull sash. The only issue is a volume which is lower than the average. Okay, so we now need to see whether we are able to move above this. See, move above this will confirm even the PRD. Okay, so let it cross 15,100, and above that we know the PRD target. First target of PRD is almost the new high that we are looking at, because this candle close is 14,580, you can say, and this closes 14,608. So 200 points above the new all-time high. Okay, so you can expect this to go to 15,720. Okay, so the target for PRD is 15,720, and the larger target on the 9 bar PRD is 16,300. So we have got two targets for Nifty as well. Okay, so 16,300, maybe first let's look for 15,700, and then if it continues we might see 16,300 as well. So 16,300 over here does not see much possible. You can see around 15,700. You can see the band itself is around 15,650. Okay, so 50 points above that we can have still a target. Okay, but 16,300 is around here, so that can be little bit higher compared to the current levels. Okay, but since the setup is there, you cannot ignore it, right? And let's see monthly what it shows now. Monthly has got no bearishness at all. Okay, and this is what I kept saying. There is no bearishness on monthly, and if we cross this high, which is 15,375 in this month, right? As the closing basis, if you close on this, you might see Nifty traveling more higher. Okay, so North is calling, South can be forgotten. Okay, that is what you can understand from the current chart on month. Okay, so this is looking good. Weekly is okay. I am not seeing any bearishness here as well. And nor do we see much things over here apart of the resistance. And the other resistance that might come up is we bounce from 40, 60, 60. Okay, and now we might come to 60 here, and we might have some resistance. So yes, there can be some still, uh, 2 to 300 points bounce from where we are, and then we might have to see whether we see this is a resistance at 60, resistance at 60, and now do we cross 60. Okay, so that is where we will see whether PRD targets gets into, or do we have to resist it. Okay, so this is going to be critical, 60 resistance on daily. So let's have the write-up ready now. So this is what we had said, new high is possible. Okay, so that is where we are, so I'm putting that. And monthly is a doji above 60. So this monthly, now we have to talk about the entire March candle, and that is a good doji above 60. Okay, so this is where monthly is right now. Okay, so now let's see the support and resistance levels. Okay, so we have resist. See, this is where we are right now, 19 14 950. Okay, so this is the level which we need now to cross, right? So we need this 15 325 and then the previous high. Okay, so these are going to be the levels. Again, now 14800 should act as support, which is a very good support now, and I'll remove this. Okay, so this becomes your support and your resistance level for Nifty. Okay, so now let's start with Bank Nifty. Okay, so Bank Nifty also, if you look at from 40, and there is a bullseye here on daily. Okay, so now we need it to cross 34,400, which is a very good resistance right now. Okay, we can easily see that is the support turn to resistance, and now that can be the either a breakout or resistance. So 34,400 is critical on daily basis, and if you look at here, this is the level. Okay, so this hammer out here, then breaking of the hammer low, then resisting it for the first time, and now we might approach it second time. That along with 20 MA, which is also around 34 600, right? So those are the two levels critical to be crossed. If crossed, we are looking towards again 36 600. Okay, so that is where Bank Nifty is going to be. Okay, so we have few levels on daily. Let's see now on weekly what it does. Again, hammer at 60. Okay. See, this is a hammer at 60. Again, the volume out here is good. Okay, this is the second last candle you have to see. This is the last week, and which was also a very small week. Okay, in that compare, if you look at here, the volumes are mediocre, but still it has made a doji type of a candle till here, and we might have closed the gap. 1 minute, let me see that. 34 200. Okay, so we have not closed the gap. Okay, so we are still at a gap resistance of 34 200. Okay, so we need that to be closed in this coming week. So the weekly gap has to be closed, and then again the weekly gap is around 35 600 to 35 900. So this then needs to be closed. Okay, and this also can have another movement till 37 200 or 37 300. So that is where you might have this as well. Okay, and yes, there is a 9 bar PRD even in this case with a new high, definitely about 37 700. Okay, so it comes to a target of 30,680 जाने दो टारगेट दूंगा तो आप लोग को भी थोड़ा ये हो जाएगा. It is almost 3,500 points above the new high. Okay, so it goes to almost 40,000 or 41,000 comes to be the target. Okay, so let it be. We'll see if it comes in bits and pieces. Let's see. First we are able to cross 35 500 and 35 900 this level, and then we will think about 41,000. Okay, so let that be parked aside right now. So monthly also it is. Can anybody tell me what are you looking at monthly? Anyone who has done simply indicators can easily say this, right? Can anybody say first 60 support? Yes, Vishesh.
60 support, 60 support.
Yeah, yeah, it is the first 60 support or the first bullish range shift on the bullish time frame. Okay, so this is very, very good thing, and if that happens, okay, we will definitely see 41,000, which is a PRD target. Okay, it really looks good right now. And see, it also took CIP on 32,800. I think someone, I think Pankaj Deshkar used to speak about, कि एक बार पुराने हाई पे जाना चाहिए, एक बार पुराने हाई पे जाना चाहिए, ले वो लेके आया वो, जाके बाउंस भी हो गया है. नाउ वी माइट सी इट बाउंसिंग हायर. ओके, सो एक बार ये क्रॉस किया, वी विल डेफिनेटली सी दिस गोइंग हायर. Okay, we might see that 41,000, but right now let's not talk about that. Let's talk about small targets. We are already long in Bank Nifty and top bottom as well. Okay, Nifty, Bank Nifty, we are both long. So let's see how much we make in this rally on the upside. Okay, it looks to be a decent one right now. Okay, so let's write down for Bank Nifty as well.
Kamal can't hear you here.
Yeah, I'm not speaking right now. I'm writing. But earlier was okay.
Actually, voice is going off for a few seconds and coming back. So I guess
I guess that maybe because of the internet connection as well. So I think it should be fine. Let me also connect to the other parallel source. Okay, I'm also on my GeoFi and I'll get connected to that and let's see if that works fine for every one of us. Okay, I'm just switching to GeoFi, so just give me 1 minute. Okay, so is now it clear? Yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, so now let me write down on Bank Nifty as well. So daily bonds from 40. Okay, so remaining thing we keep constant. Okay, because it's still yet to confirm on PRD. Okay, so 34,300 के ऊपर confirm होता है, but I would say that let it close about 34,500. Okay, so make it 500 because of the current things that we are into. Okay, and this is also above 60. So this is now fine. So now this should be support 33,800 again. Okay, so I'll remove this. Okay, we'll change this to actually 400 and then 35 to 50. Okay, so these are the three resistances that we now have in place. And support may we should have 33,800 again. Okay, so market has been around the same level since long time. It is not doing anything. But now since we see that the RSIs have taken their rest, there can be a chance of moving higher. Okay, and even March ending has been done. So now let's see what the market does from here. Okay, so now let's go to the other sectors. Nifty IT, let's see what that has done for us. Let us. Okay, so now even if you look at this particular sector, it is at resistance. If you look at here, it's a doji at resistance actually. Okay, so this sector has got a doji at resistance. Okay, so we now need to see what it does. Okay, see, it's been resisting this level again, there, there. So this is where this level is proving some fatal for this particular sector. And second thing, if you look at it, okay, it's ascending wedge, and this can have a fall down. Okay, so this can have a fall like this till this level. So there can be some correction in IT again. We'll have to see what it does. Or it might break above this. So we need to watch whether there is a breakout above this or does it fall below. So there can be both. Right now, as per the daily chart, so daily chart shows both signals. Okay, and let's see weekly and monthly. Okay, weekly shows good one. It's again a bull stash, but see it is at this resistance. Okay, so 26,315 or 26,300 is the level where it has been resisting since a long time. We need this to be broken on the upside. So that is one level on weekly. And monthly, there is no bearish divergence. We were actually waiting for seeing whether we get a 3 bar bearish divergence, but there is no bearish divergence here. Okay, it's gone above, but now again it is at 80 on monthly. Okay, so this again shows sometime that we might see some retracement from here, because see, first thing that you need to understand is the mouth of Bollinger Band is almost at 90 degree. Okay, so whenever there is a movement, a fast movement in price against the time, now the price and time will have to catch up, and that will happen with a sideways movement. Okay, so you might see some sideways movement now for some time in this particular sector. Okay, so this is where we say that the price and time has to catch up. Flag setup, yes, it had multiple flag setup earlier also, and it has already done you can say the results were already there. Okay, but look at the RSI on monthly. Okay, for a sector or an index to have an RSI this high on a monthly is a little bit difficult to handle. Okay, so if you again look at flag, there is not much flag type of a setup now, because see, flag इसको बोलते हैं, ये फ्लैग था, ये देखो, ये परफेक्ट फ्लैग था और उसका ब्रेकआउट था ये. ओके, see, it gave the exact result of that, and then again a black candle which went sideways. Okay, and then again see another flag. Okay, so एक flag, दो फ्लैग, पर अभी ये ज्यादा कैंडल्स हो गया है. ओके, तो अभी ये फ्लैग नहीं बोल सकते हमको. फ्लैग के लिए ये जितना कैंडल मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 + 1 शुड बी द कैंडल्स बिटवीन द टू पोल्स. ओके, अभी ये कुछ ज्यादा ही हो गया है, ये कुछ ज्यादा ही हो गया है अभी. Okay, so this does not come into the flag criteria. Okay, so now let's see, let's write up again for Nifty IT as well. Okay, so now there is no more bearish divergence setup. Okay, so now what we have to say is monthly bullish candle. Okay, but around 80. Okay, so this might see if it goes above, we might see monthly RSI also above, almost around 88, 90 if the flag completes. Okay, so that is where it might go. So that's more better that we have some retracement and then some movement, or let's see what it does. So we'll have to see stocks of IT as well for the same. Now let's see to the new sector. So let's look at infra. So infra again, if you look at weekly, we have a pro gap harami type of a candle, okay, and somewhere it's a doji at 60. Okay, so there are two things. Uh, so here there is a bullish kicker as well. Okay, so we have a kicker on daily. We have a doji or bullish haram. This is below bullish haram is when you consider the two candles. If you look at only single candle, it is going to be just a doji at 60. Okay, and it's a pro gap doji actually. Okay, ये इधर close हुआ है, ये इधर सीधा gap up हुआ है, तो it is called a pro gap. And monthly भी ये अच्छा दिख रहा है. Okay, there is nothing wrong on monthly as well. So see, it's already at all-time high. It's a diamond category index, and you might see this still going up. Okay, and look at after how many years it has gone above this. The highest RSI infra has seen is in current market. Okay, ये भी अगर आप देखो तो flag है. See, this is the pole, then three candles down, and see then the second pole. So now there can be some sideways movement out here, and then it might start again the movement. Okay, so even in this case, so you might see multiple settings. See over here also, ये पोल बनाया, फिर ये नीचे आया और उतना ही ऊपर आया. So ये जो कैंडल्स का नंबर है ना, ये नंबर डिपेंड करता है ये कितना कैंडल्स है. ये जितना है ना, उससे थोड़ा ज्यादा होना चाहिए, उससे ज्यादा बहुत ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए, फिर वो फ्लैग सेटअप नहीं होता है. ओके, so infra is also looking okay to me. I don't think there is any bearishness still there in the infra. Okay, let's go to the next FMCG. So Hindustan Unilever. So we were having a few doubts on this sector because there is a bearish divergence on monthly. Look at 4-bar bearish divergence, 65, 64. Okay, so there is a bearish divergence on this particular sector. Okay, so we will need to see what it does on monthly. Weekly also it is around 60, and maybe see there is also a chance of this sector now having some beating. Okay, if it continues to go up, we should be okay. But this is the trend line which it does not get to break. Okay, this is looking, it might look weaker below this. At least Brazil to South. Okay. So this we'll have to see again what it does here. Okay. Daily क्या है? Daily we see daily there is a perfect M setup है ये. See if you look at daily, it's a perfect M setup. अभी again simply indicators वालों थोड़ा जागो. Okay. This can be the first target. See outside. But ये भी outside actually उतना ही खाली difference है इसमें. Textbook M और इसमें उतना ही difference है. See it has bounced from 20 MA. Okay, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, and there is a bearish divergence if you look at this. Okay, so the 0.5 is here. So पूरा ये M बना के इधर तक आ सकता है. Okay, and then there can be a further second target till this level. But we need to see the stocks also. I think Hindustan Unilever maybe already had. So we need a confirmation on all of them to confirm on the bearishness. If the bearishness confirms, we will definitely see, some fall in this. And see, there is a bearish counter attack as well on the daily. Okay, but the only thing is it is above 60. So it has to break 60 on the downside. Then only you might see this coming down. Okay, so there is also support here. The A candle ka high or A candle ka close. वो एक support भी है. So we are at price support, 60 support, and bearish setup. Okay, so if you look at this is resistance, and this is a black candle at that place. So it's not a breakout, by the way. So now we need to see whether it suffices the breakout on the downside and comes down, or does it take support. Okay, so this is going to be little bit of tricky for us. Okay, so FMCG sector, daily M setup, weekly also resistance around 60, you can say just around 61, 61.78, and at price resistance. And monthly we see a 4-bar bearish divergence setup. Okay, so yes, there can be some retracement in this sector. So IT and FMCG looks little bearish. Let us have a write-up ready for that as well. We had this already that might see, and it is now 4-bar bearish divergence. Okay, so this is what FMCG shows to us. Okay, so now let's see the other sector. We'll have to see stocks for this as well. Okay. Let's see pharma क्या बोलता है. So pharma took monthly 60 support with a hammer. Okay, so we might now see if it crosses this, pharma थोड़ा वापस ऊपर आ सकता है. The pharma is looking okay. 20 MA के resistance पे है, but let's see what it does. एक मिनट, ये और भी एक resistance दिख रहा है मुझे. Let me draw a trend line over here. So we'll have to see whether we break above this or we fall back. Okay, so it is at trend line and 20 MA resistance on weekly. So we'll have to see this. This is going to be critical. And let me see daily. Daily is okay. उछलता कूदता जा तो रहा है ये, लेकिन look at this. See, it bounced from 40 where we had buy calls. Okay, and from there, see, we might see this now coming up to 60 resistance. Okay, so whether it crosses 60 or not, उसपे पूरा खेल है, because weekly shows some resistance, and now daily is approaching resistance. Okay, it is already at 57.40. Okay, so this also gives you a view of where the stocks are heading. Again, see this. Okay, this resistance broken, again broken, but then here it resisted and there can be another chance here. So 1200 12,500 के ऊपर में अगर ये टिका तो ये इंडेक्स 60 भी क्रॉस करेगा and it will have a new breakout. Then you might see again it approaching this 13,100, and that is where again you might see some bounce in the pharma stocks. Okay, so let's have a look on this as well. So let's write down on Nifty Pharma as well. Okay. See, we had first bullish range shift last week, and we see the power of that 40 to 60 तुरंत आ गया है वो.
ಇದೆ ಮನೇಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್
So people who are not speaking, please go on mute so that the others are not disturbed. Okay. So 20 and trend line. Resistance. So ये 12,400 के ऊपर PRD कंफर्म करता है हम monthly. So monthly PRD में new target है इसका सीधा new high है. So let's see now monthly spinning top का नहीं है, but monthly you can say took 60 support. Yeah, metal is zooming since a long time, Sanjay bhai. So अभी देखिए क्या फायदा है. So metals is already, and I think we have few cash calls on metal sectors as well. Hind Copper we have already given. Tata Bhushan Steel is one of the other thing that we have given. So it's already working. So I think yeah, pharma metals is also doing good. So let's see now Nifty Auto. Okay, so Nifty Auto में क्या किया है? Look at this also. See, this is similar to Bank Nifty, by the way. See this. It's forming a V at 60. So again, auto sector might have a new run. Okay, ये time pass हो गया इधर. अभी ये cross किया. We will see it zooming as well. Okay, so 1,000 points still there. Okay, so yeah, first bullish range shift again on monthly basis. Okay, taking support right now on 20 MA. Okay, so resistance, support, breakout, and first CIP. Okay, so this is where again you can see on weekly. Okay, weekly support broken with a bit black, now broken upside with a white candle and taking support again at the same level. Okay, so it is also looking good at price support on weekly with 20 MA support. Okay, so there are two things out here. One is first bullish range shift on monthly, and weekly also shows good price support with a bullish harami at 20 MA support and crossover of 40 on daily. Okay, so daily has 40 crossover, so now at least ये 60 तक तो जाएगा और इधर एक उसको gap resistance है, वो gap के ऊपर जाना चाहिए. तो 10,200 के ऊपर अगर close आता है, you might see it again crossing to that 11,000 mark where there is a weekly gap. नहीं, इधर gap था, इधर gap ही नहीं है. Okay. कुछ नहीं है. Okay. Then we might see it coming back. Oh, high. Okay, so we might see it coming to 11,000. Okay, so this is one small gap which it has to close. So let's see Monday को क्या करता है ये sector. Okay, so auto looks good. 40 crossover. Okay, weekly good looks good and monthly first range shift. हाँ वो तो है. Tata Motors Tata Motor was already a good buy about 79, 80 rupees and from there I think 95 के ऊपर तो we had also given a buy call on cash long back. तो वो तो अभी छोड़ दो. वो यहाँ पे ही buy था जब ये monthly 40 crossover वाला था. Okay, and Tata Motors will discuss. I think someone has asked me to cover Tata Motors. I'll do that. So Nifty Auto also looks good. Let's have a write down. Auto daily. Crossover weekly price support and price and MA20 support price and MA20 support. So weekly bullish Arami at this but below 60. Okay, so we need to clear 60 on both time frames and chance of this. Okay, so this is what we have to now wait. Monthly है तो candle को खत्म होने तक रुकना पड़ेगा. So that's why we will have to say that okay it is first and we will have to wait. So the other thing remains the same. Okay, cyclical stocks. Nilesh, you have done RSI training. If you've done RSI training, you will be able to see in that cyclical stocks is nothing but cup patterns. Okay, and those when they zoom, okay, you have not yet completed. Okay, but mainly, you might see it from RSI only. Okay, so whenever there is support of 40 on monthly, that can be one trade, and the other trade can be if it is at 60 support on monthly. Okay, so IT, FMCG. Now let's see one more thing. Okay, I think someone said the metals. So let's see, metals already had been shining a lot. Okay, so if you look at metals, it is above 60 on all-time frame. There is a breakout on new all-time high on this particular time frame. Okay, we might see it coming up here. See, 4265 is the all-time high, and now see it is approaching that. So all time frame above 60, it's a golden sector already. Band walk started already, and it's a 90-degree band walk. Okay, so again, metals are that's why in a good shape, and they are doing good. Okay, this was again a buy entry for metals. Look at a hammer at lower band and price support. Okay. So now let's go to the stocks. So let's start with ACC. This looks little bit worried. At 19, 15. सेल का सिग्नल दे दे के ऊपर जा रहा है लेकिन अभी लेट्स सी. So this is the main reason why there are googlies, because weekly does not show any bearish. There is an M setup. Okay, there is an M setup on daily, and there is no bearishness on weekly. Weekly is a band walk and 60 crossover. First time, see. Ah, इसके मम्मी डैडी बहुत स्ट्रांग है तो बेटा भी क्या करेगा, विल हैव टू सी. The preference is to buy above 1940, and you might get a new thing out here. It looks good to be bought rather than sold, so I am going to ignore it for now. No, it's not a cup breakout because cup breakout is not like this. This is not a cup. ये सब वैसा आड़ा टेढ़ा कप नहीं होता. कप प्रॉपर होना चाहिए. ये कप नहीं होता. Cup is there in Reliance monthly if you want to see. Okay, so when we'll go to Reliance, I think I will avoid ACC for now. Okay, it's looking good, but I don't want to trade into it. Let's go to Reliance. Okay, mixed signals there, so I'm not looking forward to it. Reliance, I think we already had the buy call last week, and it's still looking good. See small candles, and it is going little up. From the support, it has bounced, and monthly has taken 60 support. It's around 60. This can be the next target almost. It's looking good actually. And this is also looking good. So okay. So let's see. So Reliance looks okay to be bought. Just trying to figure out where can be the entry because there are okay. So let's have the first trade for today. Okay, so this can be the stop loss. This has to be the buy, and target can be 2125, and if it crosses that, we might see it going to almost 2150 and 2180. Okay, so Reliance looks okay to me. So we do get the first stock out here. Okay, Reliance we saw. Now let's see. एशिया वाला पेंट क्या बोलता है? एशिया वाला पेंट ये रहा सिक्सर. ये देखो. I had this stock in mind because 2440 is the breakout किया था, which was the level where it was struggling. So look at it, gap support, first 60 support, weekly just crossover of 60, but ये क्या है इधर, क्या है इधर, क्या है इधर? ओके, थोड़ा स्टार जैसा है, ठीक है, monthly is looking good only. तो ये भी इसी it is a 60 crossover in a way alert bar. ओके, सॉलिड बार का साइज कितना है, 30 रुपीज नहीं, 30 रुपीज नहीं, सॉरी 60 रुपीज, 64 रुपीज. So let's see. This is looking good on daily time frame. Okay, so can be bought. Okay, so let's go to ACC नहीं दिया ना ये टाइप तो एशियन कर दीजिए. No, 178.
गारंटी का, हाँ गारंटी का इसके लिए आदमी बाजी आदमी
Someone is okay. Joining to 5 can 4-5. Okay, you might expect the target around 650. Okay, so let's put that way. So Asian Paints looks good. Okay, now let's go to the other cement stocks. We need to see Sri Cement. Sri Cement has gone a breakout. See, it is looking good about this. So 29,150 all-time high on weekly, and it's a diamond category trade. Look at 60 support and see the bounce. So this is okay. It's looking good. All-time high and diamond category stock. So not to worry on Srichem at all. Okay. अच्छा हाँ, ये ऐसे कैसे हो गया, अच्छा हाँ ठीक है, 2650. Okay, thanks Prachi. Okay, so this has been done. Okay, so this has got a good breakout already. So now we have missed the trade in Srichem actually, but if you are holding it, hold it with this as the stop loss, 29,200. Okay, Ultratech again. Look at this now, ये थोड़ा bad boy है. Okay, so if there is a breakout on RSI and breakout of the price, then only buy it. Okay, it's a trend line on RSI along with this upper line. ये break होना चाहिए इसमें. जो chances we have, because it's actually going into a squeeze type of a format, can be a break up or breakdown. So wait and watch. I would suggest wait for the breakout and then trade. Do not anticipate it. यहाँ पे भी there is a 4-bar bearish divergence, 76, 75. Yes. Okay, so you need to wait and look at the monthly. ये हम लोग monthly 40 support से trade कर रहे थे. Then we just left it because उसका margin कुछ बढ़ते ही आ रहा था. I think currently also 3,60,000 is the margin in Ultratech. Okay, so we saw ACC, we saw this all things. Now let's go to the Maruti, the auto and the sector. किधर गया? क्यों नहीं है भाई? Maruti. See, Maruti has got some struggle here. 7060. Okay. If this is cleared, we might see it rising. So I think the buy on top bottom should be followed for a buy on Maruti. Okay, it's perfectly placed. Right now we have a 40 crossover with the doji. So if the doji highs crossed again, there is a buyout on Maruti, and you might see around 725 immediately. So there is some money here in Maruti. There is a bounce of bullish Harami again, and there can be a bounce till 7400 as per weekly charts. And monthly shows some bearish patterns, but let's look at one thing. हमको हर हथियार यूज करना चाहिए. तो अगर हम ये हथियार लेते हैं, look at where it is forming a doji. Okay, exactly around 38% of retracement, and if it crosses 7269, we are expecting this again. Okay, so we need to see it's a good healthy retracement, and now let's see what it does. Okay, so monthly buy is about 7400 for sure, for another target of 8300. Okay, so Maruti right now also at 40 crossover, and bullish Harami on weekly gives one call at least on stock ideas as well for Maruti. We'll have to add it, add it, add it. Sorry. Okay. Okay, so Maruti. एक मिनट थोड़ा इधर. स्प्रेडिंग डालता है मुझे. Okay, so on Maruti again, let's see. Okay. So Maruti also has got a buy right now. Let's see the other stocks now. हमारा बजाज बहुत टाइम से देखा नहीं. हमारा बजाज. Bajaj has got a trendline breakout on daily by the way, with a gap. बाबा, क्या किया बजाज ने? ये देखो. So this is looking good. Good, only issue is it might have a bearish range shift here, so we'll have to wait. 60 support on monthly और क्या चाहिए? Price support. See, first CIP again. इसको निकाल बाहर करो. Look at this. Breakout and first support. So now Bajaj Auto can be also a good buy. And see, it is taking for 60 support. can see this coming to 4060 very soon, maybe in this week, month, or maybe in the coming month. So it's good to be hold if you have it in equity. So Bajaj Auto is also looking good, but currently on weekly there's one glitch for which we need to wait. बाकी daily वगैरह सब अच्छा है उसका. Daily you might see it coming to 39.45. Okay, so this is one more thing, but I would wait for it. Okay, let's look at escorts. ये क्या करने वाला है? It's looking good to be bought because of see the first bullish range after breaking of 40 on the downside. जो ज़्यादा डाउन नहीं गया वो 37 ही गया है, वहाँ से वापस वो बाउंस मार रहा है. So there is a chance of this to cross this and it can come back to 39.40 levels, 13.40 levels, maybe 39.60. So this is possible in this escorts as well, because it's also at price support, and what I'm looking forward to it is this. तो ये एक बार यहाँ तक वापस आएगा. It's at price support, trend line support, RSI support. So escort is also looking good. Okay, so we can give a buy call on escort about half of this candle, 1300. Okay, तो भाई साहब डिवीज तुम चलेगा, क्योंकि मैं ज्यादा कॉल नहीं देने वाला हूँ उस पर ज्यादा. ये okay, so 25 points risk, 50 points reward. One is to do risk reward and it looks good. Okay, let's move on to tires. MRF, I think we had a discussion last week on MRF as well. And it is still see it is at 440 support, Doji at 40. Buy about this 84,300. You will get it till almost 86,000. See, I talked about the first CIP here as well. It has taken that support and bounced. So last week was good actually. CIP has confirmed and has moved. Here also the same thing you can see. It's looking good. कितना दूं ऑटो सेक्टर पे, तीन स्टॉक थोड़ी देगा, एक ही सेक्टर पे पुश हो जाएगा. ठीक है, जाने दो. It's looking good. So if anyone wants to trade even this, can trade it above 84,300 is the buy. Okay, so 84,300 के ऊपर buy करो. You can keep stop loss around 82,300. Okay, and you can expect it to zoom to 86,000 and maybe 87,200, 300. So there is a potential of 3,000 points in this. Okay, at least with a risk of 1,000 point. Okay, so MRF is also looking good actually. पर ये फिर एक ही दिन में सब एक ही सेक्टर ट्रिगर हो जाए उसका डर है मुझे, ठीक है। लेट्स सी टाटा मोटर्स। Tata Motors daily is at resistance. This is looking good. Hammer and we need to cross about hammer high. This is also okay. Okay, see there was a long-term buying at Tata Motors about this. So this is the breakout point. So 95 minutes बोला ना 95 के ऊपर buy था. Here it is. It's a perfect W setup. जो हम लोग M देख रहे थे ये उसका उल्टा है. W setup है और ये इसका first target was this, which was achieved, and second target has also been achieved. उसके बाद वो थोड़ा टाइम पास मोड में चला गया है. ओके सो दिस वाज द टारगेट. सब टारगेट देने के बाद वो थोड़ा साइडवेज चला गया. ओके सो W1 टारगेट एंड W2 टारगेट दोनों दे दिया उसने. So अभी टाटा मोटर्स still now looks okay. Okay, it looks good to trade. I will not suggest this on futures because उसका lot size बहुत बड़ा है. Okay, and normally I don't trade anything which is higher than 600, 800 quantity. Okay, so that's why I will not suggest also. But yes, if you are holding it in equity, hold it around say. And this is the time to add more at 280. Okay, it's a good this thing. See again now if you call this as a cup, ठीक है. Okay, इसको आप cup बोल सकते हो क्योंकि इसमें ये एक है, दो है और ये तीन है, and then there is a breakout from 200 if you look at it. Okay, then the second breakout is about 240. So this is still a cup, and then finally around 280 there is a breakout and CIT. So this you can call it as a cup, but वो पुराना वाला जो था वो cup नहीं था. Okay, so see also it took support where see gap support budget day का. तो सब कुछ बजट से ही बाउंस हुआ है. So 280 was also budget day gap. Okay, so this is where you can see the entire market now. Okay, so Tata Motors also looks good. Now let's go to banking sector. Cement में L&T बाकी रह गया. We'll see that first. गंदा लड़का 2 बार स्टॉप लॉस लिया है इसने. Now it is at resistance. Oh, weekly. See, this was the reason last week we were trading it. Doji at 60. उसके ऊपर में अभी चला गया वो. That's a morning star at 60 support, by the way. But now this is place where it is going to have a tough time. 61 के ऊपर में अभी इसको ये क्रॉस करना है. It might say 1600.
सर क्या इसमें एलएनटी में अपन मंथली में फ्लैग सेटअप बोल सकते हैं? फ्लैग सेटअप इन मेकिंग.
इन मेकिंग है तो एंटीसिपेट नहीं कर सकते हैं. गुलेचा उसको क्या है ना, ये देखो ये और दिखना एक दो तीन चार कैंडल है तो इधर मिनिमम 4 कैंडल छोटा छोटा आना चाहिए, या फिर ये सीधा यही चालू कर देगा तो इसके ऊपर में ही बाय होगा. तो इसके लिए इफ यू आर होल्डिंग इन इक्विटी होल्ड इट. स्टॉक अच्छा ही है ये. एलएनटी को निकालना नहीं चाहिए बिकॉज सी दिस इज वेयर इट इज टेकिंग सपोर्ट. सो इट इज लुकिंग गुड आइडियली. So nothing wrong in it. So फ्लैग के लिए रुकना पड़ेगा. सो इफ यू आर होल्डिंग इन इक्विटी इट इज फाइन. फ्यूचर्स में पेन देगा, ऑप्शंस में तो ज्यादा पेन देगा क्योंकि डिके होता जाएगा. बट इट इज लुकिंग गुड एट फर्स्ट 60 सपोर्ट. सो वही है ना, वैसे एंटायर मार्केट इज नाउ एट फर्स्ट 60 सपोर्ट ऑन मंथली. अगर इसके लिए मैं बोल रहा था ना कि रैली तो अभी चालू हुआ है. ओके, अभी कल जो था वो रिकवरी था. रैली तो अभी चालू हुआ है फर्स्ट सब 60 सपोर्ट पे. So let it start the rally, then you will think where the markets are gone. You can sell options, but if you have that much capital to sell an option, I would say तो उससे अच्छा future buy करो. या तो इक्विटी उतना ले लो. सेल ऑप्शंस यू कैन, yes, easily you can sell the option of 1300. मंथली ऑप्शन बेच दो, 1300 का चलेगा. So writers, if you want to do it, you can do that also. But एक फ्यूचर का मार्जिन डालने से अच्छा है वो उसमें कितना आएगा वो भी तो सोचो क्या प्राइस है. So that's why I am not a big fan of option writing. पता नहीं मुझे वो उसमें रिटर्न ऑन कैपिटल नहीं मिलता है. बीइंग अ गुज्जू वो थोड़ा रिटर्न ऑन कैपिटल का इश्यू हो जाता है. ओके, सो लेट्स गो टू एचडीएफसी बैंक. क्या था ये, मैंने क्या टाइप किया आज. एक बार एचडीएफसी लिमिटेड भी देखने को मिला, दैट इज आल्सो डूइंग गुड. See this doji at gap support. This is what I was actually looking at and I was impressed. It has got doji at 20 MA but just below 60 and this is at 60. See इसका भी CIP है, इसके लिए मैं थोड़ा इसमें इंटरेस्ट ले रहा था. इसका थोड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट बड़ा हो जाता है. इसका लॉट साइज अभी भी 500 है क्या एचडीएफसी का? एनीबडी नोज? 500 इज द लॉट साइज, राइट? हाँ 550. ओ जाने दो, उससे अच्छा बैंक देखते. बैंक में चले जाओ क्योंकि 50 रुपीज का रिस्क था, इसके लिए आई वाज नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट. 250 रहता था तो आई वुड हैव टेकन दैट ट्रेड एज वेल ऑन एचडीएफसी. यू नीड टू सी योर रिस्क एंड रिवॉर्ड. उसके बिना ट्रेड मत कर लो. सेटअप अच्छा है उसका भी बट यू नीड टू बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट इट. Oh, okay, so this looks good. So HDFC Bank was also looking good to us. अच्छा 300 and not 550. Okay, HDFC Bank is 550. Okay, okay. So let's continue with bank only. $14.80 actually. 78. Okay, so this looks good. HDFC Bank as well. Okay. Now let's see at the other banks. ICICI क्या बोलता है? ICICI already looking good. Hammer at 2060 and bouncing. This is also looking good. Okay, so this is another bank which is looking good. जाने ये trigger होने वाला ट्रेड, इसको लेने देते हैं. Then कोटक क्या बोलता है? is at gap resistance यार, ये क्लोज कर देगा तो उसका क्या जाएगा? चिट्टी 59.91 यार, छोड़ देना. So Kotak is also looking good, but I'm not willing to take that. 16 पे आ गई कुछ को दिस नीड्स टू क्रॉस द गैप यार ये 1100 के ऊपर जाएगा ना तो ये इंडसइंड भी चला जाएगा then come again till this levels so IndusInd is also looking good but it needs to cross this level and see gap resistance दो बार वहां से नीचे आया है there can be a chance it will retest it so there is some 1100 movement 100 points movement still possible on the hit okay Hindalco and all again the lot size is big so normally I don't trade and I don't suggest okay so in IndusInd so we have seen finance let's see Bajaj Finance and that before we close the sector so this sector is looking good and there is a breakout on this also okay so there is a breakout about 9600 on the trend line as well okay so that is where we are with the Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance क्या बोलता है it has also bounced from 40 see 40 से bounced it has gone above this we have still some steam in this and 20 MA and 60 support so this is also looking good so finance sector somewhere is looking good to me just for in confirmation I want to see SBI today yeah it's looking good see 50% of the long candle support ओके अभी सब लोग रिकवर करो कि हम लोग क्यों बोलते हैं अगर बड़ा व्हाइट कैंडल या बड़ा ब्लैक कैंडल है उसका 50% शुड बी द स्टॉप लॉस सी इट्स अ जेन्युइन वॉल्यूम लुक एट द वॉल्यूम हियर ओके और वो वॉल्यूम का 50% उसने सपोर्ट किया वहां से वापस ऊपर तक लेके आ रहा है looking good and see for 60 support even on SBI यार छोड़ दो इसको okay so we are looking good on the banking sectors I think M&M also has got the first 60 support. Okay, so we are holding in equity, it is fine again, and it's look good on daily as well. 820 to 840 is expected on this. This can be expected. TCS will see when we see the IT sector and Baki will just now continue. Okay, so we did auto, we did finance, and we did Nifty ka 3-4 things. So let's go to first in Unilever, the FMCG sector, pharma, FMCG, and IT is remaining. Okay, so let's go to in the uni. So in Unilever already shows bearishness here, and yes, okay, इसका RSI is 63. इसका 67. So there is 67.65. Array, exactly the same. So yes, there is a divergence out here as well, and you can expect a fall. There is. Okay. So we got the first short trade of the day. Okay, so 40 points risk, 100 points reward. So 1 is to 2.5. Okay, it's a good M setup. Okay, and M के लिए this line becomes your target. Okay, so we'll have to see this and maybe this. Okay, so that is where 2285 and 2315. So दोनों के बीच में 2300 is the target what I have given. Okay, so let's see if the M confirms and it falls back. Okay, so lever looks little weak now. Okay, 4 bar bearish divergence on monthly, and there is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bar. So acceptable bearishness in the lever stock. Okay, let's see the other stock on it. Dabur. Dabur is okay. It is at 60 resistance as well. 60 resistance. Okay, so there is some bearishness in this stocks right now. Okay, 60 resistance on this as well. Right, so Dabur and Hindustan Unilever, so we might see some retracement on the liver side. ITC, forget it. Okay, ITC, I don't check and I don't trade also. Okay, useless stuff, it does not work. Okay, huge equity and it does not. And Prachi, if you are asking, you should give me your view on ITC as well. Okay, so Dabur and Hindustan Unilever are seen so far. Let's see. Uh, we've seen them and दूसरा कौन सा है कौन डाला Nestle is there. Yeah, Nestle Maggie किधर पहुंचता है let's see. Nestle India. See, it is also resisting 60. So yeah, you have some bearish trades, but this is at support also. So we need to see if it goes below 17,000, you go short with your immediate target of 16,700 and also here. So it's not much looking that beautiful, and there is divergence here already. And see, this is what is the magic of bearish divergence. And by the way, for people who don't know bearish divergence and they are hearing for the first time, so this is the bearish divergence. And then see the fall. Okay, so you can expect this as well. Okay. We'll see the equity stocks, but let's see now, right now on this. So Nestle does not look good. Okay, so ये भी थोड़ा बहुत bearish ही है. So we do have some bearishness across on the stocks of FMCG sector. Okay, let's go to DRR. DRR. It is at a breakout. We need this to go above. Okay, so yeah, 4600 क्रॉस किया उसने. वीकली पे 40 सपोर्ट लेके बाउंस बैक है एंड एट्स रेजिस्टेंस इन 4820 तक जा सकता है. बेटा ये स्टॉक भी अच्छा दिख रहा है. ये स्टॉक भी अच्छा दिख रहा है. Okay, so Dr. Reddy also can be a buy. Okay, so this also looks good. So I'm buying once it crosses 60 on daily, by the way. That is my first criteria. Okay, so we now have L&T, Asian Paint, Weaver, Bank, Reliance. I think these are all the trades that we have so far. Okay, let's look at now. Lupin क्या बोलता है? See again, Lupin and all are the stocks which you can have it in your equity as well. Okay, it's at 60 resistance in C. It was here, it was at 60 resistance. 5-6 महीना घूम के वापस उधर आया. अभी 60 पे breakout देगा ना, then only you should enter. Okay, so Lupin I think buy is only about 1120. So इसको छोड़ दो अभी के लिए. DVs is looking good above 60 if it goes. So that is why now we'll have to see if it crosses this. Okay, it can be also good stock in hand, and it can come till this 3900 जो मैंने target दिया था last week. Okay, so it's right now at 20 EMA resistance. Let it cross the high. It can again come back to this level. And monthly shows very good sign. It has got bounce back in the month or ये वापस आ सकता है इसमें. It's looking good on overall time frames. See, monthly RSI had gone to 87. Okay, and then see there is a fall which brings it down till almost 72, 71. That's why IT sector में थोड़ा डर रहा हूँ. ये वो sector है, ये तो stock जा सकता है, but sector would be little difficult. Okay. Yeah, exactly. So that is what it is, and that is the main reason why ITs is not faring well. And it is already around the same level since I think multi years. Okay, so TVs चला गया. Now let's say Cipla is the last stock here. So Cipla is also doing monthly, weekly भी approach कर रहा है. हाँ, so ये सब देखो 60 resistance पे daily पे है. So if there is a breakout above this, right, all this pharma stocks will have this. Otherwise, there is going to be a fall and retracement in this level. Okay, so that is where you have to see. Going for delisting. Okay, why I'm not aware of. See, mainly cash stocks इसलिए तो मैं देखता भी नहीं है. But एक बार प्रभात डायरी देख लेंगे क्या बोलता है वो तो देखेंगे. Okay, so this is looking okay to me. It had a good bounce. Okay, now let's go to TCS. We already have pharma with TRR. TCSC, we saw some bearishness in the IT sector, and the key stock of that is showing 60 and upper band resistance. Okay. 60 के ऊपर है, resistance there is divergence 3 bar. Okay. सिवा कुछ आंसर है क्या? नजारा वगैरह छोड़ दो सर, क्योंकि see I don't have even chart for it, and I am not a big fan of any IPO. Okay, so I would avoid all the IPO. ओके, कंट्रोल जेड बाय, पूरा चला जाता अभी मेरा। ओके, सो नजारा वजारा तो छोड़ दो, मैं देखता ही नहीं हूँ सर। एक मिनट में किधर गलती से इधर टाइप कर रहा हूँ और इधर जा रहा हूँ। ओके, सो वी हैव अनदर शॉर्ट ट्रेड फॉर द वीक, TCS। या फाइन, बट सी नजारा तो मैं व्यू भी नहीं दे पाऊंगा ना, क्योंकि उसका चार्ट ही नहीं है। 14 मंथ्स का कैंडल चाहिए एटलीस्ट फॉर RSI टू आल्सो बी इन प्लेस, राइट। तो मेरे पास नजारा के लिए कोई नजारा ही नहीं है, मैं कैसे नजारा को देखूं? वी आर ब्लाइंडेड बाय द चार्ट्स राइट नाउ। So TCS looks good to short, right? So these are almost now 8 trades, 8 भी नहीं 9 है, कुछ ज्यादा ही हो गया। Okay, so now let's go to Infi. Infi is also looking same. See, it is always a better stock to view on the charts. 60 resistance पे doji and price resistance. See, set price and 60 resistance. There is divergence even on weekly, monthly is okay. So yes, we do have some bearishness in the stocks. Tech and क्या बोलता है, नहीं दिखता है ना, अच्छा नहीं दिखता है, ये तो ऑलरेडी गया है। डोजी 60 के अराउंड है और ये भी इधर ही है। So there is also divergence 4 bar on Tech Mahindra. Okay, so IT stocks are looking little sluggish. Okay, so we might see some short trades on IT and FMCG. So let's do them. Okay, we can short them. That's good. So we do have some upside and some downside. So market can be range bound. Okay. Main focus should be on Bank Nifty to see whether it crosses 34,400. Okay, and let me see some stocks of this. Uh, okay, so I think someone said Prabhat Dairy क्या है प्रभात, हाँ यही आ गया पहला ही। Okay. Whenever you want to see equity, I will see there is a bearish divergence already on daily. तो छोड़ दो। अच्छा, and bullish divergence बहुत सालों पहले था, मतलब it was there 38 and 93 and नहीं था bullish divergence भी नहीं था, there was not at all bullish divergence here. Okay, ये इतना बड़ा bullish divergence monthly पे consider नहीं होता है, ये गलत है। इतना सारा कैंडल के बीच में थोड़ी होता है, और ये कैंडल के बीच में नहीं है। But see, normally you buy at 40 and you sell at 60. So buy at 40 was around at 50 rupees and now it is already doubled your capital. तो निकल जाओ। तो प्रभात डायरी तो चला गया है। Okay. So I would not suggest any buy on this. It is monthly around 60 resistance. Okay. So now there are few stocks which I had given recommended. So let me see that. S-Charm. Okay, S-Charm, the main reason to buy this is it has done band walk, okay, about now it's little difficult because band ऊपर आ गया है, 110 पे आ गया है, okay, and but it is the first 40 crossover, and there, see, this is a bullish divergence. Okay, यहाँ पे bullish divergence था, वहाँ से वो 54 से already 136 जाके आया है. Okay, now there is a chance of a first bullish range shift in this. So this might run after the bullish range shift. So we have to wait for it. Okay, weekly squeeze के बाद band walk किया था 74 से लेके 135. Now it is within the band again. Okay, so this is where we will have to wait. So 100 का हम लोग ने I think stop loss भी रखा है, and this is that 100 plus stop loss. So we'll wait for it. Okay, so S-Chand. So S-Chand is one of it. Okay, then Tata Coffee was another stock. Tata Coffee. Tata. Okay, so Tata Coffee again, I am only looking at monthly, and it is at first monthly support. Okay, so we now need to see if it crosses above 118 and it remains up, we might see it going up again. Okay, so Tata Coffee again has got monthly setup. It is for 60 support. So if it falls below 60, okay, we should be out of it. Same as AB Capital. Okay, AB Capital was above 60 when we had a buy call on it last month. It went below, so it came down from 139. Okay, so if it now crosses 139, you might see this going to 165 or 170 immediately. That is where we now need to see. It's a spinning top with volume, high crossed, it should be good. So now let's see. We have kept our stop loss in place. This is again the good stop loss for it. Okay. So I think it should be okay. And I think the Oryx, Krita, Tata Steel, Bhushan. So this has been given at 48. It is traveling now. See, monthly 60 crossover and band walk started. Okay, so this is looking good as well. Look at the volume in last 3 months. Okay, ये volume इतने पैसे के लिए नहीं हुआ. Okay, so you have to wait and hold it. Okay, and look from where it has fallen. Okay, पहले भी देखो ये squeeze के बाद 60 breakout के बाद कैसे गया. Okay, so this stock has got something in it and can do better. Okay, it is looking good. Weekly also see again band walk has started. So metal sectors, you can see how it is growing. This can be still looking good trade. Daily also see it has got good bounce. Yeah, maybe because Bhushan Steel was it and it is now been taken over by Tatas. So now you might see, some revamp in it. All right, so it's looking good on charts. That's why I say I don't know anything about the backstory about it, but it's doing band walk above 60 on monthly. I buy. Simple. Okay, so that is where Tata Steel Bhushan comes into place. So few cash stocks also are given. So now this is good buy already, and we are already in it at 48. Anyone wants to enter can enter, and we have kept stop loss of 40. I think 38 is my stop loss. I will wait for it. Yeah, JSW, Jindal, and all of them are in the same boat, right? Okay, so it's already 15 minutes about time. Okay, so we'll see again on Monday for the live trading, right? And we'll catch up again for the analysis on next weekend. So thank you everyone.